On this week's episode, no yeast, fried dough balls. To a bowl, add sifted self-raising flour. Add 1 tablespoon of your preferred sugar. I use dark brown sugar. A pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Gradually pour in milk and mix until a batter forms. It should be a little thicker than pancake batter but not as thick as dough. This is my test dough ball. This allows you to see if the oil has heated up, if the heat is properly set, and how long you need to cook them. After my test dough ball, I set my heat to medium-high and used a ladle to measure. I cooked them for 2 to 3 minutes or until both sides were golden brown. Place them on kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil. And that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this simple dough ball recipe. They are absolutely delicious and incredibly soft. Love you all so much, and God bless.